Hi friends, welcome to Hot and Sweet. Today we are making fish fry. Let's dive in and see how it's prepared. Ingredients are as follows. Corn flour, 4 tbs. Ginger garlic paste. Coriander paste. Green chili paste. Red chili paste. Turmeric. Amchur powder, dry mango powder. Garam masala. Lime juice. In a bowl add corn flour. Add all the ingredients. Ginger garlic paste. Coriander paste. Green chili paste. Red chili paste. Turmeric. Amchur powder, dry mango powder. Garam masala. Lime juice. Add little water and mix well. Look at that beautiful coating. The corn flour is already starting to grip the fish. Once you've coated them, let them rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This resting period allows the salt and lime to tenderize the meat while the spices lock in. This is the secret to a fish fry that isn't just spicy on the outside, but flavorful on the inside too. Temperature is key here. We are frying on medium-high heat. If the oil is too cold, our corn flour batter will just soak it up. If it's too hot, the inside stays raw. We want that perfect balance. Look at how the bubbles are calming down. That's the sign that the moisture is out and the crunch is in. Flip them gently, and just look at that texture. And there it is, the crispiest fish fry you'll ever make. No heavy batter, just pure flavor and a glass-like crunch. Hit that follow button, and let me know in the comments which fish fry I should decode next. Happy cooking!